Hope everybody is doing well. I have been skateboarding for 13 years, and in today's video I am going to teach you guys how to pop shove it. A pop shove it, they are achieved by using your back foot to pop and spin the skateboard around 180 degrees in the air while you stay neutral above it. Pop shove it's are backside. You can do frontside ones, but the one I'm going to show you today spins backside, and what that means is that the board is going to spin the opposite of your heel, if that makes any sense. So a couple things we're going to cover in this trick is the foot position, shove it, so that a shove it is just you don't pop it, back foot flick, and some practice steps. We're not going to go over common problems. I'll make a separate video if you guys wish. Whatever problems you guys are having with it, then I'll make a separate video on. So, the foot position for this trick isn't too far from the regular riding position. Your front foot is up near the front bolts. You could have it at a 45-degree angle if that helps. The front foot is pretty simple, but is your point of control. It should come up slightly to make sure the board doesn't flip under you. The back foot is where the magic happens. Your back foot is pretty center on the tail. Your toe should be slightly hanging off the board, but not too much. This is because you're going to want a good amount of force from your back foot as you swing the board around, and make sure it gets that full rotation. When you do the pop shove it, you're going to force your back foot down and back so it gets that pop. The secret to the pop shove it is actually to try the shove it. Sounds weird, I know, but getting the motion of the shove it down is very important to getting the pop shove it. The shove it is the exact same thing, just without any pop. The board will still rotate under you, but doesn't pop at all. The back foot flick. When practicing the shove it, your back foot is simply scooping back, but not down. When you scoop back, your board will rotate and not want to flip at all. You're going to jump just a little bit, and your front foot should stay directly above the board while your back foot flicks back and then comes on top of the board. Get your regular shove-its down, then continue on and learn it with the pop. You should practice these for a while before you try the pop shove-its. A couple of the practice steps that you guys can work on is to get the rotation of the board. So you could pop it, catch it with your back foot. Just your back foot, have your front foot still on the ground. And then once you master that, try pop it and only land it with your front foot. And that gets your body used to keeping the board in the same position. So once you practice it for maybe 10 minutes or so, after that, then you should just be able to pop, scoop. So okay, that is a very important part, is you pop down before you scoop, because if you scoop before you pop, then the board's going to go behind you. So make sure you pop before you scoop. So right now you basically have the trick. All you have to do is bend your back knee once the board does the full rotation under you. You can extend it again and place it right on the tail. This doesn't always mean jumping higher. Just make sure the board has enough room to rotate under you. If you have too much force, then that can mean your board is going to be over rotating or starting to flip under you. So just don't pop down as hard. The higher pop shove it's come with time. You don't just pop shove it and you're blasting to the moon. The other one is if it's not rotating enough. That's pretty self-explanatory. You just got to scoop a little bit more. Your front foot should stay directly above the board so it can catch it if it starts to flip. If the front foot is too high or too far off the side, then it won't be there to catch it. If you're having this problem, go and just re-listen to the practice, or just go back to the practice steps and catch the board with your front foot and then just your back foot. I hope this video helped you guys out a ton. If it did, let me know in the comments. If it didn't, let me know what problem you're having, and I'll either make a separate video, but I will just reply to the comments. Like the video, it really helps a ton getting my channel featured. Subscribe to the channel for future videos, and let me know what type of videos that you guys want to see. And I will see you guys hopefully in another video. Peace.